You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these words. There are slightly different pronunciations, although they're very similar. Let's hear them. The British English pronunciation is as thrall. Thrall, alright? It's one of those words that has a thr sound, okay? Like three or threshold. Thrall. The sound is more one of an O, alright? Thrall. Now, the Americans say it a bit more. Yes, that's the Google pronunciation. In American English, they say a bit more as thrall, a more open ah sound, okay? So, thrall or thrall. It's easy. And now, you know. Can you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.